on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a good night or had a good day. Right now, dude, it feels so good right now. It's like 7:30, sun's gone down, and it's like perfect riding weather. It feels so good. So right now, me and my brother, we're going to the bike meet, and I've been there before. Oh, it feels so good. But yeah, I'll catch you guys. I don't want to bore you out on the road. I'll catch you guys when we get on the highway. We're about to get on the highway. But guys, I don't do many like evening or night rides. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do more, because I love it. Feels so good out. It's not too hot. Yeah, guys, when I did my chain, I riveted it, and there's like a tiniest of cracks on the rivet. So it's gonna be kind of sketchy on the highway because I don't want break-in, because then there goes my chain again. But I might give it a couple of rips, because it's the tiniest of cracks, and I got balls. So what the hell is that? Bye bye. I'll give her some rips, because I know that's what you guys like to see. Yes, sir. And I gotta wait up for my brother, bro. Just got done with a little chest of triceps, baby. Quit playing, dummy. You already know. Had to put that. Yes, sir. Watch this. I'm gonna give him a dope flyby. Watch this. There's an R1 behind us. Yes, sir. He must be going to the bike meet too. Oh, is that an Aprilia? Ooh, another bike right here. See that little sidecar thing? I dig it. I dig it. Was that an Aprilia? That's a neutral. Oh, really? Looked like it had like different fairings. This GoPro here ain't always acting up. You gonna go through there? A little shortcut action. Damn, bro, it's always packing here.
That's what she said.
No way, just hit neutral. Damn, see guys, look at that shit. Damn, I haven't been here in a minute. I've been here in so long. Damn, it's really packed in here. Yeah, you gotta come over here. This is where we belong. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get demonetized for this music, bruh. I'll show you guys some of the bikes real quick. Yeah, look at that S1K. Whew. Damn, that S1K is hard, bro. Dang. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Feel lowered, bruh. Stretch ZX10 or ZX6? I don't know what that is. Yeah, ZX10 stretched. Shit's hard. $650 Kawasaki. Another S1K. And nothing like crazy. Busa. Go to Busa. Old S1K. A lot of S1Ks. There's not that many sport bikers here.
You're at a bike meet, but gotta hit that anabolic window.
Yeah, me too, bro. Look at this shit. Yeah. Just got done with that workout like I told you, bro. Need to hit that anabolic window. Gains. I'll catch you guys when I head back home after. S1K. Damn, that thing's loud as fuck. You ready? Yes, sir. Oh man, it feels so good to be riding at night. Yeah, we should do more sport bikes there. There's just a lot of S1Ks and shit, but you know, it's still dope. Damn, I'm surrounded by all Harleys. Everywhere, bruh. Harleys everywhere. God damn! I can't hear shit, bruh. Sheesh, these boys ripping for show. If you haven't watched other videos, I'm getting a trailer, so I'll be able to go to a lot more places. I'll be able to go up to Ohio back with my buddies. I know a lot of my buddies up there got bikes, so that'll be fun. And then just like if there's meets and shit going on, like I'll drive up there, go to some meets, meet some other motovloggers and shit. That would be dope. And yes, I do got my brights on. Me and my brother both got our lights on because people can't see shit anymore, bro. So you gotta blind them for them to see you, and even then they don't see you sometimes. So it's like, yeah, I know you guys like to see me ripping and shit for sure. But one, my chain's kind of like iffy. I riveted it all right. Like I told you, it's a tiny little crack, so I don't really want the chain to break and then I'm stranded. Two, I'm with my brother. He's on the 400, so it's nighttime. We both got tinted visors, so I don't want to be stupid. And
2 seconds later.
Bam! You know, you can't see shit with tinted visors. You know, I'll give it a little rip. didn't even know he was gonna rip it, bro. I was gonna do a flyby and he ripped it too. That's just funny. I don't know what bike he has. That shit was faster than mine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please don't break, train. Oh my gosh, thank gosh, bro, thank God. If my chain broke and I was stranded, I'd be pissed. Hopefully you guys can see shit. I've never really ride at night with the GoPro, so I hope you can see shit. One last rip for the boys. Damn, I need to switch my rev limiter light. That shit's annoying, bro. I gotta switch it to like 16,000. What? Little highway ripping? Bro, I was hoping my chain wouldn't break. Bro, it's so much better riding at night. For real. Just like... Yeah, you need a 600, bro. Bro, did you see that other dude rip it? I ripped it right when he did.
I was like, these fuckers are like totally wasted.
I didn't realize he was gonna go. I was gonna give him a flyby and he went too. Yeah. That was funny. I think he was faster though. I'm just glad to be back and riding, bro. Blessed, for real. Grateful. Be grateful for what you guys have, for real. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, please. It helps the algo out. Drop a comment. I'll answer any of your questions or whatever you got. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe. Over and out.